Today on Vehicle Club, we're diving into everything you need to know about the brand new 2026 Toyota Hiace. Known for its reliability and utility, the Hiace has long been a favorite for commercial users and large families alike. The 2026 model brings modern updates while staying true to its dependable roots. Redesigned for practicality and style. The 2026 Hiace comes with a refreshed exterior, featuring sharper lines, a larger grille, and updated LED lighting. While it maintains its signature boxy silhouette for maximum cargo and passenger space, subtle aerodynamic improvements make it more efficient and modern-looking. Toyota has also introduced new color options and wheel designs that give the Hiace a more contemporary appeal. Interior comfort meets functionality. Inside, the 2026 Hiace boasts a more refined cabin. Toyota has upgraded the materials for a more premium feel and redesigned the dashboard for better ergonomics. The infotainment system is now powered by a larger touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and improved climate control are also part of the package, making long drives more comfortable for both drivers and passengers. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 Hiace is expected to offer a choice between a reliable 2.8-liter turbo diesel and a more efficient hybrid powertrain, perfect for those looking to reduce fuel costs or environmental impact. Toyota has tuned the suspension for a smoother ride, especially when fully loaded. Both manual and automatic transmissions are available depending on the market. Safety upgrades and tech. Toyota has integrated its latest Safety Sense suite into the new Hiace. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features elevate the Hiace from a simple workhorse to a smart, safe transport solution. Final thoughts. Whether you're running a shuttle service, transporting goods, or need a reliable family hauler, the 2026 Toyota Hiace brings the space, technology, and performance you need. Stay tuned to Vehicle Club for more automotive updates and reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What do you think of the 2026 Hiace?